receive a miracle job right now, receive a miracle letter right now, receive it in your phone, receive it from your bank, receive it in the name of Jesus. I pray for a miracle, receive your miracle. I pray for your job, receive your job. I pray for your healing, receive your healing. I pray for your deliverance right now, receive your deliverance, receive upliftment in the name of Jesus. You know, you watch behind the wall, stretch your hand of God in your affairs. I receive a miracle from the Lord in the name of Jesus. Receive that miracle that you believe for. I pray for you. I pray for your marriage. I pray for your home. I pray for your future. Receive a miracle in the name of Jesus. Receive a miracle there right in the name of Jesus. Wherever you're struggling around the world right now, the power of God is touching you right in the name of Jesus. The power of God is touching you right in the name of Jesus. The power of God is touching you right in the name of Jesus. The power of God is touching you right in the name of Jesus. You know what you're having battle, God is taking away those battles right here, right now, in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Ilibranako shabalade shabalado shabalatul rebramaka valo shabale kavala shabalade rebramale